Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The letter T, which comes after dot, is pronounced as an emphatic T, similar to the T in the English told rather than 10. This also means that it is a velarized form of T. So the letter T is pronounced by placing the tip of the tongue on the two upper front teeth and the gum, and simultaneously raising the back of the tongue towards the velum. T, tu, up, falun. In writing the letter T, the loop of the bottom is written first in a clockwise direction, and then the vertical stroke is added. A clockwise directional loop and a downward stroke. T. Again. T. And ear. T. Here are three of the words that start with the letter T. Ta'iratun, airplane. Ta'amun, food. Ta'irun, bed. Ta'iratun, ta'amun, ta'irun. Ta'iratun, ta'amun, ta'irun. Ta'iratun, ta'amun, ta'irun. Now listen to the words again from the memory game. Then practice forming the shape of T and then copying the letter. Wassalamu alaikum.